Hello, welcome, hello. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're back, then how are you? I missed you so much, and I'm sorry. I know. Don't scream at me. I know what you're thinking. I suck. I just suck, okay? But today we're gonna be doing something incredible, something that has been seen all over the internet. I'm gonna be doing my hair today. A lot of people ask me about my hair all the time. They ask me on TikTok, they ask me on Instagram. They always ask me about my hair. And see, this thing looks ugly. It's like this color. It's like silvery purple, but then you have the blue here, and my roots are growing. It's disgusting. So we're going to be doing my roots, and then we're going to be bleaching a little bit of the blue out. We're not touching this part right here because it's so processed that if I put bleach on it right now, it's gonna fall off completely. Like, I can feel it. I actually already called Sally Beauties to get my stuff.
You know, I was like, hey girl, I need some bleach, some volume, some developer, and some hair dye.
We're gonna go pick it up in a few hours, but I got my coconut oil. We're gonna do that because I am gonna be bleaching my roots.
I'm not a professional. Please don't take it as a tutorial because it's not. I'm just showing you how I do it because you guys were asking, and I'm just gonna. This is not a tutorial, okay?
Not a tutorial. I've been dyeing my hair since I was like 14, you know, and I have my rough days, believe me. Go to a professional if it's your first time. I'm going to be going purple. I had blue hair. I'm gonna insert pictures when I had blue cabello. I am gonna be using Manic Panic this time because I use splat hair dye for my blue hair, but that's literally all paint. It's like paint complete. So what I did for the blue hair, as all of you were asking how I got it so bright, I did mix it with 30 volume developer because, like I said, it's literally pure paint. It's not actually like a developer. So how are you guys buying? I'm excited to do this. If you come from TikTok, if you're one of my amiguis on TikTok, please let me know in the comments. This quarantine got us going crazy. Do you guys like my shirt? Yeah, I have a lot of hair. What the fuck? I've made several what's it called, TikToks with my mom, and oh my god, people love her. It's oily. It's that oily. It's so nice out today. Like, it's gonna be a good day. Oh my god, did you guys listen to August Deep? Oh, it's amazing. The keen has risen. Like, I have no clothes anymore. Like, all I have is hoodies. Okay, let me tell you. So I haven't gone shopping, right? Because everything's closed. And I'm too scared to shop online because you just can't find the perfect, right, clothes. It's crazy. So then I only have hoodies, right? And it's getting kind of hot. It's getting kind of hot. So I'll be wearing my hoodies. And I feel a little hot. I'm getting sweaty. Oh my god, this is our look. And we're gonna leave it for like a couple hours, probably like 5 hours. A lot of people were asking me how I removed the previous hair that I had because I did have half. So what I used, it was the color Oops. So what I did is that I used that color Oops thingamajigger to remove I think it was pink at that time, pink and the dark side. So when I did that, it was obviously this one was like bleach and this one was orange. So then I just did the whole process on this side, bleach it, everything. We're gonna put some on my eyebrows too, because here's the thing, I bleached my eyebrows like a month ago or two, and I was getting bullied by my mom. On TikTok, I saw that Target was selling $1 plants, like small little plants, and I got one. You guys want to see it? You guys want to see my cute little plant? I'll show you my plant. Hold on. I love her to death. I tell her 10 words every day because she deserves it. She needs compliments. It's a growth method. I'm gonna put it here. This is illegal, but it's fine. Oh my god, why is it raining here? It's raining. I'm confused. But it's not raining over there. See, that's how nature works. It's beautiful. We like the cars. The cars that go up. Is everybody coming to Sally's too? Everybody getting their hair done? So I'm gonna call the lady now.
I am sorry. That's not a valid extension. Please try again.
Yes! Alright, thank you. Back home, we went to Starbucks and we waited like 15 minutes to get some. And then the colors that we're gonna be using for this is the Purple Haze Manic Panic, right? And because it didn't have a pink, I went to Target and got this. We're gonna be mixing those two colors. So yeah. I'm the disappointment of the family. It's
You gonna do that? Son las 3 de la mañana.
Son las 6 de la mañana.
Son las 6 de la
I know, dude. Like, I don't understand why people like me. Like, okay, tampoco, like, no seas así. So now we're gonna do my roots. We'll be right back. So as you can see, I did my roots already. I didn't touch any of this part because it's already processed too much. Let's go. Let's get washing. Shall we? Shall we? Oh, fuck. This is how it is. Like, I literally just bleached the roots.
Una vez dije que te amaba, no lo vuelvo a hacer.
Hello, I'm back. It's the next day and this is how my hair looks like. This is the result. I'm in love with it. I love it. It's so nice. The only thing that I didn't like was that, like, I wanted more purple. It looks more pink, I think, because I used a lot of pink. But other than that, I really liked it. It left my hair so soft. Like, it's super soft. Like, yeah, this is the hair. I love it. I love it so much. This is how I dye my hair. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the what's it called, the bell button, so you get notified when I post, because I am going to be posting a lot more. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye. Stay safe. Drink a lot of water. Love you. Bye.